Hello everyone and all our dear friends. So today we all boys are present here to do a group discussion on is India culture is decaying. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Today we will do our topic in a group. So let's I'll tell everyone name. He is
Harshit Yadav.
I am Samagyan from class 8.
I am Harshit Agrawal.
So good evening all. I am Divyansh Rawat from class 9th.
Good evening, all of you. I am Mr. Yadav from grade 7th.
Hello everyone, I am Kush.
Everyone, I am Shivansh Lakshkar.
Hello, everyone. I am Harshvardhan Varga from 7th standard.
Hello everyone, I am Garv Rawat from 8th standard.
Good evening everyone. I am Shreyan. And I am Ayush Mistry. So let us start our topic here. Our topic is India culture decaying? So the topic is India culture decaying shows that our culture is in harm or any type of danger cause that may be harmful for our India. As we know that our tradition and culture is so ancient that like people of India wear sari, people of India, men of India wear kurta, and often wear a head in something in the head. And also as we know our Indian culture is decaying. As I have already we have a watch that is not of India. Our India has a great culture, like so many type of kings often wear different type of dresses, create paintings of Indian culture, some storage pictures and some different type of pictures that is of India. But people are going on modern days, as we know. So they are going to change their things with the modern times of the ancient times. They are going to change the ancient tradition culture with the modern things. So now I will give the mic to Harshit Yadav.
Yes, I agree with you, and I want to say that yes, I agree with this point that the Indian culture was denying because decaying. Sorry, my mistake. And everyone is following the British and English culture, and there are so many cultures in India, like so many traditions, like wearing clothes of India, like Ayush said, sari for women and kurta for men's.
In my opinion, our Indian culture is decaying because now our trend is going on that is Western cultures like jeans and small dresses that is increasing day by day. That's all.
So our topic is Indian culture decaying? So I want to describe this topic by beginning. So we have already studied that Britishers have come India in the modern period, and they take India in their rule. So and they forces the people to follow their culture, and so many peoples have to follow their culture. So we can see that so many pupils there are some things that is belongs to the English culture. So it's the cause for our Indian culture is decaying. So if we want to decrease this, so we have to follow more and more our Indian culture. Like we should wear the Indian clothes. That's all.
So as I am agree with Harshit, and now we can see that in big cities people follow the British and American style. So we don't follow our culture, like we don't follow our culture, like Hindi. We don't follow Hindi in properly manner. So that is also is a cause of Indian culture decaying, and we have no joint families. If we talk about past, so we have many joint families, but now time we live in nuclear family, so it is also a cause of Indian culture decaying.
Yes, I am fully agreed with Divyansh Rawat, and in my opinion, Indian culture is decaying, and I want to say some points. Um, in ancient and medieval period, many king and many king often use Indian traditional things, and fully pay attention to the cultures of India. But now, years by year, many people are decaying and increasing the culture of India, and now we don't follow and don't pay attention to the culture of our India, we are wearing we are not wearing the clothes of our Indian culture, and other things.
And if we talk about the food items, so generally we see that so many pupils eat pizzas and so many more food items. So it's not belong to India. So it's also a cause for Indian culture decay.
So if we talk about Indian food, so many delicious foods is also we have that belong to the Indian culture, like dal, bati, chapatis, and etc. But people don't follow this. People follow French food, so that's not good.
So topic on is the Indian culture decaying. Yes, Indian culture is decaying because most of the pupils hear this. Most of the pupils hear this sentence would stand up on a vigorously debate about how Western dress, English language, and board-minded thinking had decayed. Is the Indian culture of India there? They have the women. The women started working. How they have started temples, and basically women men like who like man accepted it. My mother taught me that the Indian culture believed included believed in distributing the. That's all.
So as we know that the Indian culture is decaying because of the we are seeing in the difference in language. The people used to like speak in English, but English is not a national language. Hindi is the mother tongue. We used to speak in Hindi, but some pupils, like, shame on them. They think the English is better language as compared to Hindi. And if we go on the dress up, so we used to see the man and women, they used to like the wear the dresses on the foreign wear. They not like to wear the Indian tradition. And if we go on food, so people used to like to eat like Italian food, not like the Indian food. But those they are elder, means who are very young, elder in a family, they used to like to do this. Thank you.
Is India culture decaying? Yes. Is India culture decaying? India culture is decaying because in ancient time people are doing worship, but now nowadays people are going to clubs and hotels. And in previous time, ladies wear saris and gents wear kurtas, but nowadays people wear pant shirt, and ladies wore short tops and t-shirts. And
We know that the Indian culture is decaying. In previous time, our culture is sari, kurta, and etc. And in time many pupils going to club and wearing jeans, t-shirt, etc. And the student is speaking English, but our culture is Hindi, and many people, many children and pupils are speaking Hindi. It is good.
So I am agree to all of you, but I have a question that can India culture, can we control India's culture?
So we conclude this topic on group discussion. Please like, comment, share and subscribe in this video.